We have seen Bollywood versus South cinema debates countless times, be it over box office numbers, storytelling styles, or star power. But for the first time, Bollywood and South industry are working on the same film about the same topic and even the same person. Yes, a rare creative collision is happening between two of Indian cinema's biggest powerhouses, Amir Khan and S.S. Rajamouli, and The Battleground, a biopic on none other than the father of Indian cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. Amir Khan, known for his perfectionist streak and impactful storytelling, has announced a biopic on Phalke in collaboration with filmmaker Rajkumar Hirani. And just when fans started buzzing with excitement, another surprising twist came up. S.S. Rajamouli, the mastermind behind RRR and Bahubali, had already announced a biopic on the same legend in 2023, reportedly titled Made in India. While Junior NTR is rumored to play the lead, Rajamouli's version seems to be moving quietly under the radar until now, because suddenly this creative coincidence turned into a real controversy. Chandrasekhar Sri Krishna Pusalkar, the grandson of Dadasaheb Phalke, has now expressed his clear displeasure with Rajamouli's project. In a recent interview, Chandrasekhar said something that caught everyone off guard. I have been hearing discussion about Rajamouli's project, but he never contacted me for it. No one spoke to me on behalf of Rajamouli. If someone is making a film on Phalke ji, then at least the family should be talked to. The family cannot be ignored. It's we who know the real stories. Yes, the family of Dada Saheb Phalke feels left out of Rajamouli's process, and that's where Amir Khan steps in with a very different approach. So, according to Chandrasekhar, Amir Khan and Rajkumar Hirani's team have been in touch with him for the last 3 years, quietly researching, listening, and gaining his trust. The assistant producer Hindu Kush Bhardwaj regularly visited the family, discussed intricate details, and asked all the right questions. Chandrasekhar confirmed Amir Hirani's team worked hard to gain trust. Their assistant producers has been in touch for 3 years. I told him clearly, you guys are working honestly. You go ahead, I have no objection. He even praised Amir for being a serious fellow and said that if anyone could do justice to his grandfather's legacy, it's Amir Khan. And in a heartfelt suggestion, he even added that Vidya Balan would be perfect to play his grandmother, Savitri Bai Phalke. This unfolding drama isn't just about who's making what, it's about how they are making it. On one side, we have a mega star like Amir Khan taking the patent, respectful route, digging deep into history with the blessings of the family. And on the other side, a visionary like S.S. Rajamouli who has a history of grand cinematic storytelling, but according to the Phalke family, may have skipped the crucial step of consultation. And now fans are left wondering, will there be two Falke biopics? Which one will tell the real story? Which one will win hearts and critical acclaim? Which one will win hearts and a critical acclaim? Interestingly, Amir Khan and Rajkumar Hirani are expected to begin working on their biopic right after the release of Sitare Zameen Par in June 2025. Meanwhile, Rajamouli is made in India, baked by Varun Gupta and SS Raja Kartikeya's Max Studios, and showing business is still in development. So, yes, for the first time, Bollywood and the South aren't just clashing at the box office, they are clashing over the same man, the same legend, and the same cinematic legacy. And perhaps that's only fitting because Dada Saheb Phalke was never just a man, he was a movement. And maybe, just maybe, he deserves more than one tribute. So now do let us know in the comments what do you think on this, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.